And those small town heroes got to shine on. When I was younger, I thought that I'd kicked around this town a little too long. It kicked me back right between the eyes, cut me down to size, proved me wrong. And those small town heroes got to shine on. The heart and soul of America is growing smaller every year. If you turn around, it's gonna disappear. My daddy told me life is hard, don't let it get you down. The day you stop fighting, that's the day they put you underground. And those small town heroes got to shine on. And those small town heroes got to shine on. Well, the days are getting shorter and the nights are cold. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Sometimes this life is a double-edged sword, and it hurts me to think what you've been through. It's a long way down. When you get there, you've got to turn around. It's a long way down. Come on, baby, I won't let you drown. Last year, this time, I was hoping that you were alright. Well, the sun's coming up through the melting shadows. Looks like we made it through our darkest night. It's a long way down. When you get there, you've got to turn around. It's a long way down. Come on, baby, I won't let you drown. When I stumble and start to slip, you were always there to catch my breath. Now it's my turn for better or worse, so look to me. I Last night I was up on the town line looking at the diamonds below. Well, there's less and less of them every year. This town is getting poorer as each one goes. So long